Hi, it's Chris with WTI, and I want to introduce you to these pretty pink glass roller bottles by Kesell. I really love the look of these pink glass roller bottles by Kesell. Even before you fill them, the glass is so beautiful and the lid itself is such a pretty pink color. I just love how they look. I love the glossy design and the stainless steel rollers. The set comes with a pink opener and a little funnel, which makes it super convenient and easy to open and remove the lid, as well as to refill the bottles with your essential oils. Whatever essential oil blend I choose to make, I love that I can have confidence that the stainless steel rollers that will go on top are going to secure whatever I've put in the bottle and keep it completely sealed so that my essential oils remain just as potent as the very first day that I make them. These rollers give me a gentle and comfortable application, so honestly, I love them. And that's my point of view.